Hi everybody, welcome to Little Princess Fun Place. Today we're gonna play with slime. And this little Elsa, it's cute and look on the back of the box. So you can play with it like that. And she will be the judge. Yeah, and we're going to use today the ultimate slime glue, slimy glue. It's the best slime maker there is yet, and we played with. So we're so excited to open up this set because it looks so much fun to play with. I'm so excited. And let's open up our judge too. So I hope I win. So let's see if our princess has some magic. Bibbidi bobbidi boo, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Ooh la la! Here is the ultimate slime set out of the box. I'm so excited we can make tons of new slimes. So there's a glitter glue, blue and white. And down here there's some like 5 bottles of white glue and 1 bottle of clear glue. And then there's like some sparkles or something down there. Oh, and here's the scents. I like blue raspberry and cherry. And I like both of them. And here's some googly eyes and gems. I'll mostly be doing the googly eyes because I love googly eyes. I think it's the monster slime. And then here are the little fur balls. I like these. They feel so squishy. I love them. And then here we have like some beads. So there's all the beads. These ones glow in the dark, so that's something really special about them. And here are here are the measuring spoons. Then the color. Some of the colors are neon. Some of them are metallic. Some of them are gray, black, and all those stuff. Gold, confetti, and silver, and regular white again. And here we have some mixing spoons, so we'll be mixing with those. And here's like the slime mix, so it's kind of like borax or something if you guys use borax at home to make slime. So yeah, and then there's this little tiny measuring cup. And let's introduce our judge. So our little princess will be introducing her. It's Elsa, and Elsa is very beautiful, isn't she? Yes, she has beautiful blue eyes and beautiful pink lips. I love her dress and matching shoes. Today, Elsa will judge whose slime is the best. Okay, so let's get started on to the video. Yay! Let's go ahead and make some slime. So I'm going to make, let's see, the monster slime. Ooh, and I know what I'm going to add to it. I'm going to do mermaid slime. Yay! Okay, let's get started. We're going to make some slimy gloop solution. So first we're going to add some warm water and pour it into the measuring cup all the way to 90. Okay, come on. So we have 90 and we're going to give it to our little princess. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for myself. Pour it in. Perfect. There we go. And now we're going to pour it in my little small bowl over here. There we go. Now we're going to add some of the slime mix. Okay, and we're going to add 1 spoon. Okay, so we're going to add 1 spoon. Hope this is 1 spoon. And we're going to add it in. There we go. Stir it, I think. Stir, stir, stir. Can you stir? Stir, stir, stir. Good thing there's 2 spoons, so I can use the other one. Perfect. And there we go. We're going to mix it till it dissolves. I hope mine dissolves quick. Yours dissolved a little. Now I'm going to make the white glue solution, so I'm going to pour it up to, I don't know, I think it's 25. This one. So we're going to pour it into a bigger container. There we go. Okay. And now we're going to get some glue. Where's my glue? Here's my glue. And it's white glue. So, okay, open. So now I'm going to pour 16 millimeters of white glue. Okay, and we're going to pour our glue in the warm water. Perfect. Okay, and now we're going to do the same for me. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to pour our warm water in our larger container. And we're going to get this. And glue. There we go. That's exactly. Now I'm going to pour it into the big container, get it all out. Come on. Out. And I'm going to mix it, and we have both solutions ready for our slime experiment. Yay! Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Okay, little princess, for your mermaid slime, you need these. You need pink and green glitter. And then you need some of this silver glitter. And also some green paint. And then we're done. Let me see.
Wow,
So beautiful.
it's so
Okay, I think we got it. Yay. And now the other one, this is not as scary as I thought. Yay. Ooh. Okay, so now we're going to open this. And I think it said half of this. So we're going to pour in half of this. Okay. Come on, in. So that's enough. It's so pretty.
Wow. It's super duper pretty.
But let's add a little more of the pink one. We really like pink. Woo! Okay, so now we're going to get some green paint. Oh, we can use this one. Okay, get some green paint. And add it in. Here.
Mix.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now I'm going to make some purple googly eye slime. Okay, so got this one ready. And put this in here. I'm going to mix. So it all dissolves. Still some white showing. There we go. Mix.
Mine already dissolved.
It's beautiful. Kind of crunchy. Now I'm going to add some of our other solution, actually 3 spoons of our other solution into our slime. There we go, mixy.
Wow.
Don't do that, just keep mixing.
Mine is so slimy now.
3.
Mine is so
Perfect.
Mine is so slimy.
Now my turn.
Slimy.
2.
So slimy.
3. Okay, now it's mixed. It already looks like it's coming together, but we still need a mix. I think we are ready for some hand action. Get our hands in there. Get this out. Feels kind of like rubber or something.
Yeah.
Not so stretchy.
Look at mine.
No fair, yours is stretchy. Can I my slime? And mine is just like a rubbery old brain. Can't even squish it or wait. Yeah, darn.
Wow. I love how it is. It's so squishy and stretchy.
this slime is really weird and gloop because it's gloop, not slime. So I'm gonna add some, and anyway, I'm going to add some of my googly eyes to it. Beautiful googly eyes. I love the googly eyes. Makes it feel so crunchy and nice. Come on, stick on googly eyes. Stick on. Finished our googly eye gloop. It was so much fun to make, and I'm gonna squish you for the last time. Let's put the mermaid next to the googly. Compared to both of them, which one would you like better? I think the googly is better because I think the mermaid is kind of not really, like, it's kind of boring. Do you think the same?
No.
I think it could use less of the sparkles and more green. Yeah, it would look pretty like that. I love this one. Okay, let's make a new one. So this one, we can make whatever we want. So I'm going to do some clear. And mine is going to be scented too. And I'm going to add this. So mine is scented blue raspberry. So let's do this. Little princess, which one would you like? So we're going to add some water up to 20 for the little princess's glitter glue. And now we're going to pour it. There we go. And now we're going to add some of the glitter glue all the way up to it was 16. Oh, I guess we have 16, okay.
We are gonna mix it until it dissolves. Also, do you like the color? It's your color.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's my turn. So we're gonna pour it up to 30 this time. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna put in the gems.
Pour it in. And now we got our water in. Now time to put our glue in. So get our glue. Open it. And 16. Perfect. Woo, get in, get in.
Now I'm gonna mix the sand in.
The scent.
The scent in.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells so good. Mine smells like cherries.
Can I smell?
Yeah.
More like a lollipop. Now we're going to add our beads and all the stuff we want to add in.
And I'm gonna add some gems in mine.
There we go. Come on, get in. Beads. Okay, that's enough. Beads. Stir them all in. It's so crunchy already. I feel like I'm ready to get in the 3 spoons of this. So let's do it. 1.
But almost all of them.
That's okay. Okay, we're mixing it.
Yeah, we're mixing. I love this one already.
I already added the solution. Look how it looks like now. Looks like it's getting together. This time I only did 2 spoons, so hopefully it's not like a gloop. I think it's ready to get in my hands. Okay.
Mine is not because it's too liquidy.
Feels really crunchy. Oh, and it's stretchy. Hooray. Much better than the first one, and it's also much more colorful. And it acts like more like slime than gloop. So I have slime. Hooray! Look, guys, how beautiful it is. It's beautiful. I love this slime so much. It's the best slime I've ever made. Okay, little princess, let's finish yours and put your, I think you're ready to put your solution in.
Now I'm going to add 2 spoons of the solution.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm mixing it together. Maybe I do need to add one more.
Mix, 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 mix.
Now it's working. Let's get this out. Now I think it's ready to put my hands in it. Wow, so stretchy and sticky.
Best slime I ever made.
Me too. Yay, I love this
My
slime.
last slime is drying out. Wow, these second slimes are really good. And
So Elsa, what do you think? Which one do you like the best? Show me guys how this slime stretches.
this is how mine stretches. I like to
This
do
is
the
how-
waterfall.
This is how mine stretches.
That one's really stretchy, but mine does the waterfall pretty good.
Yeah.
I'll call this Confetti Waterfall.
Well, I'll call this Confetti Waterfall too. So also, which one do you think is the best? Well, the blue one is my favorite one because it stretches very well and it's my favorite color.
And it feels so warm.
Elsa, do you want to play with our slime?
Oh, sure. Here.
It's stretching, it's stretching. Really is stretching.
Mine's a big blob at the end. But it's stretching.
Hey, this is so much fun. Both slimes are great. I'm going to take some off me.
Elsa, here's a new slime I made. I call it, let's call it Confetti Slime. Yeah, this is called Confetti Slime, and I'm doing the waterfall with it. Yay! I love it. Oh, this is so much fun. And it smells like cherry. Smell it, Elsa. It smells pretty good. It also smells like a lollipop a little bit.
This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you liked this video. Which slime was your favorite?